What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Guys, if you want some hair care products, brushes, and do-rags, I have a link down in the description below. Click the link, it's gonna take you over to the 26 King Wavy website where you can get your merch, get your brushes, moisturizers, and do-rags. Guys, use my discount code 360juice26 for do-rags and brushes. You get 26% off. And also use my discount code 360juice2020 for hair care products. You get 10% off. Guys, after you've purchased your items, don't forget to follow 26 King Wavy on Instagram. Help him grow on Instagram. Help his business grow. And also, guys, after you've purchased your 26 King Wavy products, take a picture and post it on Instagram. And don't forget to tag me and 26 King Wavy so we can repost you guys on our stories or on our page. And most importantly, guys, please don't forget to leave a review after you've purchased your products or after you've received your product, after you've used your product. Don't forget to leave a review, guys. We will really appreciate it. Thank you. But with that being said, guys, let's get right into the video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it, hey.
Alright, guys, so a lot of you guys having trouble with laying down your hair. So today's video, I'm going to show you just how to lay down your hair the perfect way, the secret to laying down your hair. Alright, first thing you're going to need a medium brush, medium soft, and a soft brush, and most importantly, plastic bag. Alright, so we're using these two brushes, medium soft and soft, because the goal is to lay the hair down and not to lift it up. Any harder brushes than that will lift your hair up. Okay, so yeah, that's all we're going to need, so let's just jump right into it. We're going to start with the medium brush. Medium soft. Alright, just pick it up and get the brushing. Alright, so guys, after you finish with the medium soft, you're gonna pick up your soft brush and go in. But before we do that, we're gonna add a little bit of oil into your hair. A little bit of oil because you want to add that shine and you want it to be silky looking and everything. Alright, you want the shine to show. So the oil is gonna do just that. Using castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil. guys, that is basically it. All right, now to finish the lay down process, you're going to have to rag up. All right. Now I like to do this method because it lays down my edges. Guys, if you want to double compress, you definitely can double compress. That would be a lot of help to the lay down process. But yeah, guys, that's basically it. The goal, if you want to lay your hair down, don't use hard brushes because that's gonna lift your hair up. If you want to lay your hair down, use soft brushes in a plastic bag and then do rag, and that's all you need, you know, to lay your hair down. So I'm gonna come back later and show you guys the results. But I'm gonna have to end it right here, guys. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the weight check. Peace.